Usually I upload on Thursdays, and today unfortunately I won't be able to. So firstly, forgive me for that. But you know, work has been super busy at the moment, recruitment is super busy, and so I'm still in the office, man, and it's, what is it right now? 8:45, and I'm still here. But I wanted to have a little message for you guys. You see, the only way you're actually able to sort of see some success or an element of success when it comes to business. And if we put away or put to the side the fact that obviously you have to make dua, obviously you have to ask Allah, obviously you have to, you know, get the rizq only comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But what is it you can do? Like, you know, you have to be consistent. Consistency is everything. You know, today working hard is great, but actually working hard every single day for a continuous basis over a few months, that's when real change happens. So if you find it where you're not able to see some success straight away, don't worry. Trust me, listen to this message. Consistency is everything. If you consistently turn up every single day over a few months, you will inshallah bi'idhnillah see success. Remember to spend it for the sake of the Muslims. However, the point being is, don't stress yourself out if it doesn't come quick. Get rich quick is not what we do. We put fundamentals in place, start businesses, start something for the long term, and that always, generically speaking, is a lot better than trying to get rich quick. Get rich for sure, don't get rich quick. That's my message for you today.